my name is Breanna, and I'm in Mr. Rasmussen's biology class, and this is my what I will remember for biology and why presentation. Okay, so from human biology, I said that I would remember animal behavior the most because we learned that animal behavior is an instinct that even humans have, and as we went through it, I noticed that we as humans find it now an instinct to kill and harm not only our kind but others as well. And I found it really interesting hearing how we are more like animals than we think we are, because we say that we're a lot smarter than they are, but in all reality we're a lot like them. And we can skip that. Okay, and then for ecology, I picked the 5 levels of ecology because species is a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. And then the next one is population, and that says that all inhabitants of a particular town, area, or country. And then community, the imparting or exchanging of information or news. Ecosystem, a biological community of interacting organisms in the physical environment. And I'm realizing that community is definitely wrong. But biome, a group of ecosystems that share similar climates and typical organisms. Alright, and then from microbiology, I picked cell structure, animal versus plant, because I thought it was really interesting seeing that plant cells have a cell wall, but we don't in our cell. And also we have a centriole, whereas plants do not. And even the shape, of them are different, so I just found that interesting. And then for genetics, my favorite part was hearing about Gregor Mendel and his pea plant experiment, because that really interested me. And we found out that in 1856 he conducted a pea plant experiment to determine how something gets its traits, and he ended up finding out that we have dominant and recessive genes that give us what we have, like dimples or freckles. And then for phylogeny, this was actually my least favorite one to learn about, but that's okay. I liked hearing about Darwin's voyage because I thought it was pretty interesting. However, it turns out it's turtles, and I put a picture of a lizard, but I mean, it's the same thing in a way, so it's fine. He traveled to the Galapagos Islands, and he was looking at finches, and found all this stuff about how we evolutionize, and yes, okay. And then for taxonomy, I liked looking at the tree of life, because in our last presentation, we had to find one of those for I did like fungus, and I had to find one for a fungus. And I thought it was really interesting seeing like where things come from and seeing all their ancestors. Oh, I killed my plant, so that sucked.
Yeah.
I had like a pine tree.
It was hard to kill.
It was not hard to kill.
Oh.
I swear it was still alive. You know, never mind. It was alive. He threw it away. Anyways, but I learned a lot about how to take care of those things, and I think it probably just starved or something. Just died. It was the sunlight, not me. And what? No, it wasn't me. I watered it all the time. Okay, I got focused. Alright, and then that is what I learned in Mr. Rasmussen's biology class.